Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is Pharma Talk with Doronal, the platform where we answer medication related questions. And today I'm going to be talking about how to use a vaginal cream. I've gotten a lot of questions around this from the last video I made talking about the difference between the different types of Mycoten product, and I think that video has been blowing up. Thank you so much. I'm here to deliver yet another blowing up videos. So when I made that video, I got lots of questions around how to use the vaginal cream. Some people say things like, oh, vaginal cream did not come with a applicator, while others said the applicator was there but they didn't know how to use it. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use it. Contrary to my last video where I used the Mycoten product to do the demonstration. Today I'm going to use another product just so that you know that I'm not trying to market any particular brand, but this is for like demonstrative purpose, and so it's not like I'm promoting a particular brand. But today I have this here from Generics Pharma, Generics and Specialties Limited. I got this product from them. um it was a gift, actually. It was a gift, and so I'm going to be using it to do the demonstration. I'm sure that they don't even know that I'm going to make a video with this, but I immediately I got this, I was like, this is the perfect product for me to make this video. And so I'm going to be showing you guys in less than 1 minute how to use a vaginal cream. First off, I haven't opened this yet, so I'm going to start. One interesting thing about this product, there is a part where you can scratch and confirm the authenticity of the product. You can scratch here to confirm the authenticity of this product. You send the number there to the code and then you're good to go. So first things first, before you use the vaginal cream, first things first, ensure that your hands are properly washed. Wash your hands. Ensure that your hands are properly washed before you begin using the product. This right here is called the applicator. And then this right here is the vaginal cream. In the last video, I made a difference between vaginal cream and topical, or the creams where you just rub on your surface. This one is the vaginal cream, so this is it, and this is the applicator. The cream. Next thing you want to do is to open this up. It doesn't have to go through a particular way, but one thing I did was to use this bottom part, not this part that will be going in. You don't want to hold like this. You're holding from down here. So I get it. Now this is my applicator. Next, you want to open up this. Okay. And then while opening this up, so one thing a lot of people say is how to open up this stuff here. So one technology you must have been missing out is this. On top of this cap, inside of this, there is a pointer there. This thing is not for fancy. You use it, screw it over, and your cream is open. Can you see? Your cream is open, and then you place it like this. Can you see? It's more or less like I'm locking it. Now look at this end. So one question a lot of people usually ask is, to what point do I have to fill it? It's always a question. To what point do I have to, fill it? I always say it, there is a mark. There is a mark. Look at this point here. There is a mark where you would stop. So we are going to start pulling this. Now, in order to fill this up, you have to be pressing this part down. This part is filling the cream in. So look at, if you watch closely, you will see the movement of the cream into the applicator. So you see, as I'm pressing it, because I am not moving this, the cream is spilling out. Can you see? Look at the cream around here is spilling out. So as you press, you are pulling. How do you pull? You are pulling this part. Can you see? As you press, you are pulling. Like, if people will pay me, I have just wasted one full product just for demonstrative purpose. So now, if you look at this, see, there is a distinction here. Can you see? here. So at this point, this is where I filled it up to. I filled it up to this point. Doesn't have to get to this point. Up to this point. This has a mark. Somewhere just a round stuff differentiating one part from the other. This is where I'll fill it up to. Okay. After that, you cover up. This got all messy because I wasn't pulling, just to demonstrate to you the mistake that most of us make. So I cap it. And then you, so it's two ways. It's either you squat and then you insert straight up into the vagina, and then you start pushing this. Once you know that you are into the vagina, you start pushing it like this. Can you see? As you push, the entire product is getting into the vagina, and when you are done, you bring it out. Okay? When you are done, you bring it out. When you're done, once you bring it out, please kindly wash with clean water. Wash this with clean water and store properly for your next use. For convenience, it is recommended that you use the vaginal cream at night. Please, you use it at night. The reason is because when this goes in, there's a part of it that begins to spill out. And if you do it in the morning, you're going about your activity and then you are having some cream coming out, spilling. It's not really nice. That's why it's usually recommended to be used at night. But for instance, if you're not going out during the day or you're not going out at all in the morning, then you could decide to use it in the morning. But it's more preferable at night because then you just insert, you sleep, and you're good to go. I want to believe that this video was helpful. Please like, share, and follow for more.